I'm here to show you how to use my favorite cleaning product. This is Dixie Belle's White Lightning Cleaner. So I'm going to use this product on this piece. This is a family heirloom. It's been in my garage just collecting dust and dirt, so it definitely needs to be cleaned before I can paint. So I'm going to head over to my sink and show you how to mix this product. So White Lightning Cleaner comes in a granulated powder form. It's kind of comparable to a coarse table salt, as you can see. And for every 1 gallon of water, you want to use 2 heaping tablespoons of White Lightning. So I have my water here. I'm going to put my 2 heaping tablespoons in. And I like to use warm water because it's going to dissolve nicer. And then you're going to shake it really well. And I always like to actually transfer into a spray bottle. So if you're gonna mix directly into a spray bottle, make sure to adjust your proportions of White Lightning. And also, White Lightning is not a harsh product by any means, but I always like to wear gloves when I'm working with any sort of a cleaning product just to protect your skin. So our piece is ready to be cleaned because I have pre-mixed, so let's start. So after you've mixed your product, you wanna apply all over in generous amounts. And I've already removed my hardware pieces so that you can really get in there and clean those nooks and crannies. So you're gonna focus on those areas that need extra attention, but just look at the years of grime and dust that are coming off of this piece. It's amazing. After you've cleaned the product off, you're gonna wanna do a freshwater pass over. All right, we're ready for the fresh water. All right, we're ready to paint.